Is your Dyson SV14 making strange noises? We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. Strange noises can be caused by a blocked filter or worn-out motor. We'll check both during the repair process, replacing any faulty parts and cleaning your vacuum to restore its performance. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.